Welcome back to Recreational Garage. Continuing on working on the rear suspension on this car. So I'm going to pull that rear axle out, and then I got to sand off or clean off the gunk and grime so I can weld to it where I'm going to put the lower control arm brackets. And then I got to do some cleaning up underneath the car still where I'm going to do some welding, and then keep working on mock-up, and then hopefully start getting some stuff tacked in. Hoping to make a little more progress this week than last week, but we will see. So anyway, let's get to it and see what we can get done. All right, made some more progress on our 4-link setup here. I was going to try to cut these torque boxes down tonight, get an initial cut, starting to get it closer to fitting, but it's getting pretty late here, so I'm not going to do that tonight. That's kind of where we'll pick up next time. There's a ton of slop in these factory arms, so I'm going to have to switch to the Team Z arms to start doing the mock-ups, just so I know exactly where it is. Because on the factory arms, I can swing this, a full inch over side to side, more than an inch either direction. So trying to figure out exactly where that line needs to be to cut it is going to be tough. But when I bought the Team Z arms, I bought the upgraded bolt kit, and the lower arm bolts are bigger than factory. So I'm going to have to drill out these holes, which I have the drill bit coming for. Looks like these are 14 millimeter. And these holes would be 1/2 inch or 13 millimeter. So it just needs to go up just a little bit, but we'll get that all drilled out and then get it to where we can use those Team Z arms that are going to be much more sturdy and not so flexible in their joints to get this mocked up. So, but we did make some good progress. I got some footage of mocking up the lower control arms. We'll see if it turned out good or not. I did get these lower brackets tack welded to the rear axle. I used the factory brackets as a reference to get them in the same plane and try to keep them all nice and straight on the axle as far as where they should go. So making good progress. I think this Mustang 4-link setup will be good. The next video we'll start by working on getting these cut out. Cut down to where they can fit and hopefully get them tacked in so we can kind of start to see this axle mounting taking place or taking shape. And then after that, we'll start working on the uppers. So anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.